Good morning, everybody. So it is Sunday Funday. Today is a special day. It's one of our favorites of the weekend. The group at the Switchback, they do this every week, but all of them and their friends, they all hop on their motorcycles and they take a ride on Sunday to some local place to eat, maybe a bar or two on the way back home. But it's just a kickback day of riding, hanging out, and actually just getting to hang and talk and meet people and actually get to know them. So it is one of our favorite days here at Spring Fling. We also do it at BFE. So Sunday morning, if you want to join us, reach out to us. We usually have like an event sign up because we limit it to 25 bikes. Because we don't want it to be big and overwhelming. We want it to be a place where you can come, ride, have fun, and just hang out. But everybody is starting to show up for Sunday Funday. Look at all the bikes lining up. We've got some bikes over in the driveway as well. So looks like it's going to be a great day for Sunday Funday. Here we go. All right, in case you guys are wondering what the fuck is happening, I'm on the back with Mama Badger. We got Mike on the back over here.
No bounce, no bounce.
We got Terry over here on her bike. And we're promoting International Female Ride Day. We have an event here at Switchback Bar on May the 4th, where the ladies are all gonna ride to the Fort Smith bike rally. But Friday night, they're actually having a party here at the Switchback for all the ladies. So help us tell all the ladies to come join us. Always somebody. Ready? Don't kill me. Woo-hoo, look at everybody recording. We got the whole crew out here. first leg of our ride is done. Here's the crew all lined up. Good little group of bikes. All right, we made it. What a great ride. A little chilly, but what a great ride. Check out all the bikes all lined up. We're headed to the pizza cellar and lounge here, but look at all these wonderful looking bikes. Everybody's ready to get some pizza in them. I hope they're expecting us because we're parked on both sides of the road. We taking over. Here we go. All right, let's go in and check this place out. The pizza cellar. Must be pretty cool. I've never been here. So you literally go down in the cellar. I don't know if you guys can see this. My eyes are adjusting, but it's a cellar for pizza. Boy, I wish you guys could smell. Floor's a little uneven here. Check this out. Here we go. Down into the cellar here for pizza. Look at that, we got some video games. I like it. Check this place out. I guess we're in the back room here.
Oh, let's see.
This place is cool. Let's go check out more.
Then we made.
What you doing, Mama? Oh, room back here. Okay. Let's go check this out. Hey, hey. Everybody's in the cellar. So it's better than the closet.
Everybody's gonna be in the mood when they leave here because of all the mood lighting.
Yeah. Brown chicken, brown cow. What's your name?
Kevin,
Where are you from?
Arkansas.
Arkansas, and you will be on the video tomorrow. So watch yourself.
All right.
Alright, lunch was awesome. Now we're heading back to the cat house. Got a nice little ride there. Alright, so we stopped for gas. One of our bikes has a rear wheel bearing out. Not Angie's or I's, but one of the group. So he's on the back of a lady's trike. We're gonna go back, get a trailer, come back, get his bike, and see if we can get him on the road. So, welcome to life. Sometimes plans just change. Alright, so we always have to stop at our scenic lookout. The whole crew's here, and we're being scenic. Look at that. Look at how scenic that is. There you go. There's your view. You can see for miles and miles. We have made it back to the switchback. What an awesome Sunday fun day. A few of our group peeled off. They're actually gonna go get a U-Haul from Castle's Repair. So Castle's are the ones that got us the U-Haul when we had the hurricane. Well, now they're getting this guy hooked up with the U-Haul. I think he's from Oklahoma, so he's gonna haul his bike back to Oklahoma and fix it just because he needs to get back. He's got kids to take care of and all. So he's gonna load it up in a U-Haul and haul it back. So a few of them peeled off to go get the U-Haul and get his bike, and the rest of us came back here. So you can see there's what's left of the crew. But anyway, it was an awesome Sunday fun day. Thank you guys for going along with us. We had a blast. All right, guys. So, holy crap. The bike rescue is done. The U-Haul is here. They've got it all loaded up to go back to Oklahoma tomorrow. So, thumbs up to that. We're all just hanging out, winding down. Spring fling has come to an end. Today was an awesome day. What is going on with my fucking hair? Anyway, that's what happens when you have a stocking cap on all day. Anyway, tomorrow we'll head to Monette, to my sister's house. So we'll get up around in the morning. I think we've got a meeting for breakfast, lunch, brunch. But other than that, we'll be headed to my sister's house in Monette. But what a great weekend. We had a fantastic weekend. For everybody that came and saw us, we are so happy we got to meet you, got to see you. There was a few people that rolled in today at the switchback as we were leaving from northern Missouri. Sorry we couldn't hang out and spend more time with you, but we'd already had this planned. But thank you, thank you, thank you for coming and saying hi to us. And maybe we'll get to hang out again some other time. But everybody we met this weekend, everybody we got to hang out with, ride, we super appreciate it. We appreciate all of you guys' support for Support Bikers, for the Wrecked Rider Fund, for Support a Biker, all the stuff that we've got going on. You guys are the backbone of that. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope you guys have a great week. We will see you tomorrow.